Vechain is one of the few coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market, and on today's video I will be focusing on my long-term price prediction analysis, and above all also give you my short-term price prediction. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from last year. When we saw our bear market lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has now given us a high above the 0.05502 in a move that has now peaked in the formation of this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃1. And after we peaked in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃1, whatever I was expecting next was a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for this 𝗕𝗃𝗃2, and Vechain is now ready for an aggressive bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗃𝗃3, and the minimum target areas for that 𝗕𝗃𝗃3 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗃𝗃1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that 𝗕𝗃𝗃3 at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.08594. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment, a bounce to that target area will easily give us a 4x to the upside. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃4 before we can continue gearing up even higher in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃5 in a move that will easily get us back above the 0.1 mark in the next coming days or maybe weeks. So that is my long-term price prediction analysis. There are high chances that Vechain will easily get us back to new all-time highs. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis basing it on the 𝗕𝗃 structures. You can see from the lows that we made on the 6th of September, we have seen a very nice bounce to the upside obeying the 𝗕𝗃 structures, where we have now peaked in a 5-wave structure to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.02282. And after we peaked in this 5-wave structure to the upside, I was expecting a bit of a corrective structure to the lower side, and the minimum target areas for that corrective structure were given by connecting the fibs from the lows that we made on the 6th of September to that high in that 𝗕𝗃𝗃5, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and we have also started to see a reaction of this area, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed in this corrective structure, and there are high chances that in the next coming days we might continue gearing up even higher, and that movement to the upside will get confirmed the moment we manage to break above the highs that we made above the 0.02285. The moment we manage to break above that high, there are high chances that Vechain is going to give us an aggressive bounce to the next key area of resistance above the 0.02497, and a break above that with a successful retest. Then we can continue gearing up even higher to the 0.027 in the next coming days. We also need to have in mind that in case we get some weakness from the current prices that we have at the moment, then that will be suggesting that there are chances that we have not yet bottomed in this corrective structure over here, and there are chances that this could be playing out in an ABC corrective structure, terming this as a wave A, and whatever we have at the moment is a bounce in a wave B before we can finally see one more new low in a wave C, in a move that could easily take us to the next key area on the Fibonacci, which is the fib level 0.78, and that lies above the 0.02. So there are chances that in case in the next coming hours we see any form of retracements, then the 0.02 will be my next target area for that corrective structure, before we can finally see whether we are going to see another reversal to the upside and manage to break above other key areas of resistances. So that is the short-term price prediction analysis that you need to have in mind. And that is all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.